what is the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA, or cost per action marketing, what it is, how can it actually be useful for you. I hope this video helps you. Let's get into it. All right, guys, my name is David Pinder. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm going to talk about specifically the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA marketing for multiple reasons. One is that I think people confuse it a lot. So that's the first reason. And I want to be very clear in the entire process. So I've done a video, and this whole style of this video is going to be me talking to you guys, sharing my screen, going through exactly what it means and where you can find CPA marketing and affiliate marketing networks, for example, and how to do it. And then at the end of this video, so stay tuned till the very end, guys, I'm going to give you 2 ways, basically, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, how to go about doing it, in my opinion, the best way. And if you want to get started with CPA market in a slightly different way and not do it the traditional way, but still grow your email list so that you can take advantage eventually of it also becoming something more than CPA marketing, then stick to the very end. Okay, so let's go ahead and share with you first and foremost what the difference is between the two, and then we'll go over the networks that are available, how to get started. So I want this to be educational, useful, and actionable at the end of the day. During this entire video, guys, if you liked what you see, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I post videos 3 times a week for you guys. Let's go ahead and do it. We'll talk about CPA marketing. I'm just gonna briefly tell you what it is so that we cover the basics, right? So the basics is CPA stands for cost per action. Okay, cost per action. You get basically paid for a specific action, whether it means that somebody signs up for a game or enters the email address. There is an action item that you need to do, and I'm going to go to affiliate network and show you guys the action items and the kind of things. But after that, you get access to an affiliate marketplace. Marketplace in itself is how you're going to get paid. So if you think about cost per action, you're getting access to a network or a marketplace that allows CPA offers, and those CPA offers, based on the actions that you drive traffic and get all of these traffic to convert and do things, you're going to get paid per action. This is how a lot of media buyers actually promote their products and services. Okay, so it is something that's there for ages. It's not a new thing. It can be attractive because all you need to focus on is a skill set. Always skills needed with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, any kind of marketing, there's skills needed. But with CPA, you have to focus on one thing and one thing alone, which is advertising. Knowing how to get that advertising to that offer and get them to achieve that specific action. If the action is not achieved, then obviously you're not going to get it. Now, there are so many different ways and methods of doing this, but that is how you are doing it. And if you do it the right way, you're able to build your own list, which will ultimately become a warm list for you. So initially it's a cold list where you're just telling them to sign up, just telling them to do things, and then slowly you can maybe transfer them into a series of warm-up series, a nurturing series via email, to then get them onto your warm list. This is how I look at CPA marketing. It's a good entry door to get the ball rolling and get some income coming in and focus. It's going to take some time. It doesn't happen overnight, guys. It doesn't really, but it is something that gets the ball rolling in terms of income, and you reinvest that income back into the CPA so that you are able to always have that traffic running to those CPA offers. And that's one of the biggest pain points for CPA marketing, in my opinion, is that you need to have a consistent flow of traffic, which any website does, but this is high quality people who need to have that action done for them for you to actually earn an income from it. All right, so just to give you guys an understanding, I'm just going to go here, CPA marketplace. This is just on literally on Google, guys. I'm going to go, I think Max Bounty is also Max Bounty. All right, and there's also, for example, Max Bounty and other ones that are there that specifically do affiliate or rather CPA marketing. But then you have, for example, networks like this. And just to give you guys an understanding what CPA offers are, this is just for your understanding, right? So if somebody comes here and basically signs up, and you also pay per click. Cool. So just to give you an example, I'm going to click on an offer, and you'll see right here, when somebody completes this task, you get paid a certain amount, right? So important notice: to maintain the integrity of a network, our system automatically detects. Okay, this is fine. These are all CPA offers, guys, that basically when people click, or create an account, and you can find a lot of things that you are using. Let's say CapCut. Look, CapCut photo editor has also CPI, so cost per in intent. I believe that's what it is. It's going in the same concept, right? It's exactly the same concept. When people start to sign up, basically they sign up for a service, maybe they add the email address, maybe they get a coupon, and so on and so forth. Or time bucks is, to get play. And all of these offers have a certain task. Their aim is they want to start getting people to use their products much more, and based on that you get an action. Now that is in a nutshell. I wanted to cover this quickly because I want you guys to see the value of it, what CPA is. But this is how it works. Okay, so it basically goes to a landing page. You as a marketer, what would you do to be able to earn from these CPA offers? Obviously you're not going to go and just pick a link and say smash it somewhere or throw it somewhere or try to get traffic somewhere, add it to your Facebook, pay for ads. No, there is a process in marketing, guys. We're here on this channel to learn about marketing, right? So there is a process within your marketing structure that you need to nurture your leads. Where you advertise is also important, but at the same time how you advertise is important. And if you want to make the most money for your buck, most money that you're spending and get a return of it, obviously you want to collect those leads and retarget those leads back to those sales pages or those offers so that they can take that act. And therefore, you're actively creating an email list so that you can take advantage of that traffic that you have purchased once but is growing your CPA offers. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the logic behind it. In most cases, people are using paid advertising for CPA offers because you want quick results. Every click, every person who joins, you want quick results, because obviously as you get those quick results, the more you can invest into paid advertising, the more you can scale up. That's the logic behind it. Okay, but people still follow this structure. Landing page goes to sales page with the offer, and then it goes to the product, whatever it is, right? And then the email series should be there so that you can get people back there, and then whoever forgot about it yesterday can now today get back into the game and look into it, right? So those are those elements that you have to think about of having a good workflow when it comes to marketing, because you want people going back. It takes more than one touch point. Sometimes I see so many ads on Instagram, and you guys see so many ads on Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, and maybe the seventh, eighth, ninth time you'll actually react to it, even if it's a free game. I have personally got a free game that I use because of one of these ads, because I just liked what I was seeing. I wanted something to relax, and I got the game. So that's how it kind of works, right? And now when the payment is done, imagine the advertising source. Who's getting paid? The marketer who marketed that advertising, that CPA offer to me via this channel. So that's the logic that you have to get into it. It does take time. I know people, there are pros and cons to CPA marketing. People have earned a lot. I know people who earn really a lot with CPA marketing, but at the same time, I know people who have got banned because they've used hype and just trying of tricky methods to get people to do that action. At the end of the day, it's intent. You want people to do that action. And if you force it, it can get you banned from affiliate networks. You are not in control of your income at all. You're building a cold list that maybe at the end of the day just click. But if you're not transferring that list to a nurture sequence, to a warm up, then you're actually making a big mistake with the CPA marketing. And it's just purely get that action done. And then if they don't, they're not on your list. So you have to always have some kind of traffic running, and specifically paid traffic running. So it can become a costly affair. I recommend doing it in a different way, which, as I said at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can get access to it. And the other way is affiliate marketing, right? So what's the difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing doesn't have to do with promotional stuff. So CPA marketing as a whole is more performance-based marketing. Okay, it's more performance-based marketing. Instead, affiliate marketing solves a problem. This is the two different things. So affiliate marketing is you're an affiliate of a product or solution for someone. So you are bridging that gap between pain point or what's the issue to the solution. That's your whole aim as an affiliate marketer. Therefore, in short, you get people to a landing page, you talk about the pain point, you get the right people to the landing page. You don't really need quantity, you need more quality of people that are coming to the landing page. and then they're educated on that bridge page or video page or webinar page or whatever you want to call it, right, on the exact solution. Remember, you're bringing people with a certain intent to that page. You're just bringing people. Now obviously with CPA marketing, if you want better results, then you bring people who are interested in gaming or interested in your offer, how that's a little bit of a trick. If you do that, then it can become quite a big advantage for you. Any which ways, affiliate marketing is how it is. And then it goes to sales page of an offer service. So you see, you're the bridge between the person who's joining. There are two steps, and by the final step of actually purchasing the offer as a solution, that's when you get a commission. Okay, that's how it works. Whether it's through Amazon affiliates, whether it's through digital products as an affiliate, whether it is whatever, it really doesn't matter. This concept exists. You're providing a solution. I hope this is clear. And then obviously you're collecting an email address. That email address goes back to the sales page for a nurture sequence. And as I said, you are also continuously creating value on that pain point, because you might have a customer in a year's time, 2 years time, 3 years time, 4 years time, 5 years time. It really depends. And so I always say that you're not focused really on the product as a solution, but a specific topic. Let's give you an example. I want to talk about gaming. If you want to talk about gaming, then you can become an affiliate for different games, just like you have for CPA marketing. And based on the game itself, you can either get a commission, or let's say there's a gaming platform that you send people to do that gaming, and they pay whenever a credit is done. I'm giving an example, right? Or a physical offer or a digital offer, really doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say here is, depending on your niche, you focus on creating content, you focus on generating quality traffic with that intent. Okay, it's more thematic, if you want to call it that way. That allows you always be relevant for that specific niche, and then based on the relevancy of that niche and how you are placed within that niche, you then get conversions. It is a longer process. None of these two processes are simple and easy and come overnight. There are also ways on actually earning an income online if you take it seriously. That's simply it. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, we're at the part where I want to show you guys an offer that does both of these things with two different angles. Before I go ahead and share with you more information on the offer, guys, this offer, as you have heard me talk about it many times before, it's called the OSP system. You'll find a link in the description of this video. But I've earned about $2,623.91 in commissions on the LSP system, and pretty much this is where I focus my affiliate marketing efforts. It's where I learned affiliate marketing. It's what I am also doing for the last 5 years because it makes sense. Now, these results are in the last year and a half, basically year more than, if I'm not mistaken. So I've not been also pushing it too much, but this year I'm definitely focused on it way more, and I want you guys to get the journey. The training is amazing. It is built. You guys can see I continuously get earnings from it, as well as you see this 2,623. I'm going to give you a second and show you how much I've withdrawn from this platform, so you understand that it's not just money on a platform or on a website. No. So guys, you can see right here, on so far I have been paid $2,283 from my withdrawal request, which is basically money in my pocket. Okay, so it is working. It is a great way, and it is one of the ways that I specifically focus on getting commissions in affiliate marketing. How you can do that, link is in the description of this video. There is a concept with the OLSP system. The concept is very simple, guys. They have what we call a mega link. Okay, we have this mega link right here, which is teaching you how to advertise organically, so free advertising, and use that free advertising to add the right people with the right intent, to write the correct posts, to start to be a content creator basically, and generate traffic to the solution, which could be the mega link or could be anything else that you have to offer. It's giving you a skill. Obviously, you promote the mega link, you get 100% commissions. It's a $7 product, so you can get $7 commissions on and on and on and on. So that's one thing to pay attention to, and that's obviously you being an affiliate marketer. This is the highest margin that you can get for a front end offer. Then you have list building and magic link. Now, as I said, this is the curious part. I'll leave a link to this. I usually don't speak about this, but I'll leave a link to this in the description because I think it makes sense based on how I'm shooting this video. The magic link, in my opinion, is a great way to do CPA marketing. is a great way to do CPA marketing that or not only connects this whole sales process, guys, but it connects it to affiliate marketing. And let me tell you why. In a nutshell, the magic link with products and services that the OLSP system any which ways sell. Okay, any which ways they sell. They know that it converts. They only add offers there that make a difference. Firstly. Secondly, they will not pay you. If I'm not mistaken, you get about 30 cents per click onto these offers. So once you follow this training within the magic link, you get a special link, and that link every single time somebody clicks on it, legitimately clicks on it, you get about 30 cents. It varies, okay? It's not exact, but it varies. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because it's a form of doing exactly this, building an email list through CPA, because you're sending people to this offer. You get paid per click. You follow the training and everything else, and then slowly you're building your email list. As you build your email list within the training itself, it will teach you how to take that email list and then eventually start to become an affiliate. Okay. Now you might ask, David, but what kind of traffic am I sending? The way that they can guarantee all of this whole process to work is that the magic link uses a couple of things. It uses also the traffic rotator. Now let me show you guys the traffic rotator so that you guys sorry, OSP products, so you guys can see. There's the traffic rotator right here. This traffic rotator is the OSP system's own traffic. It is a monthly, as you can see right here, it's monthly traffic where you can get for half the price. It costs $47 per month, usually this amount of traffic, which means you'll get about 100 to 200 clicks every single month. You're spending only $47, and you're sending it where? You're sending it to this magic link training, guys. You're sending it to this magic link training, which then in turn, this magic link training teaches you to build your email list. So now you're not looking for traffic, buying it from here. So your cost for this entire setup will be basically $47, and then the autoresponder and stuff like that, those extra costs are there, and traffic goes and your email list is being built. It's sending to an offer within the LSP system, the magic link, which any which ways converts, and then you start to get those CPA, as I call it, commissions. That's it. Okay, that's it. As this gets over, your list automatically you can start to nurture. So your focus, and a friend of mine has actually been doing this for the last year, and he has a 13-year-old son who's already doing well with this, the CPA marketing. But the traffic source is super important, because Wincrow specifically knows his traffic and knows how he converts. So he's done the numbers, he's checked everything out, and he realizes that he can offer this. But obviously it's limited to his traffic only, because he's anyway promoting it. That is what I wanted to share with you. The beauty of having the OLSP system solve, if you want to get started with CPA marketing, you get started with CPA marketing. If you want to get started and you spend that specific amount, you're building up an email list. As you build up your email list, the more people you send to that link, the more clicks you get. Let's say in the first month you get 40 people, okay, just to give you an idea. Second month you get 80 people. Now you have a list of 80 people that you're sending to that link, so you're getting more cost per click in this scenario, commissions. Clear? If you guys have any questions, obviously let me know in the comments below. I hope this video was fun, educational. You got to learn something new. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, specifically learning how to make your Facebook into a commission engine, then check out the link in the description. Otherwise, you can find also a link to the magic link in the description, which will take you to the CPA training as I was speaking about. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.